Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Now you do have PPF paint protection film on the entire front bumper, the entire hood, the entire fender, nothing on the headlights of course. You have it here on the side mirrors as well as the door cups and that door edge. Here on the wheel, this is a hyper white, like a beautiful bright white. And the back wheels must have been re-sprayed at some point, and they're a little off-white. So you can look at the center cap to the wheel, bright white, and they match. And then if you look at this one, their center cap is a lot brighter than the rest of the wheel, but it's very subtle. So it's not like in your face, but just wanted to notate that. And then here on the front right bumper, you can see the PPF got gashed, and it did go through the paint. Looking at this wheel, I don't see any curb rash. Barrel looks pretty good there. Looking at the tires, you got the P0s, date code 2023, 235 3520s. Looking at that fender, looks incredible. Nice and clean. Side mirror looks good. A-pillar all the way up, that looks nice. Making our way down the door. That looks really good. Quarter panel looks nice. Now on this wheel, like I said, it is kind of off in the color, but it also does have some pretty heavy rash there. So if you wanted that to be perfect, it's a good time to just have it re-powder coated gloss white. That looks good. Beautiful interior. I don't see any other damage on that front bumper, just typical little rock impacts, and it's very minor. You gotta really be looking. A couple of little bitty impacts there. They did the PPF over that stripe. The rest of that looks good. Beautiful color too. That looks good. Here on that wheel, I don't see any curb rash. Date code 2023. Graphic looks good. Side mirrors clean. That pillar looks good. Making our way down the door. This lower area looks good. Now you have rash on this wheel as well. So the one that is off in color. So having that resprayed to match be a good time to do it because of the rash. Date code 2024. Got the P0s. 265 3520s. Top is incredibly clean. Quarter panel looks good. Love those tail lights. Here on the back bumper, looks good. I don't see any damage there. All of this looks good. Beautiful car. Then looking at this interior, absolutely gorgeous color combo. Smells super fresh in here. Very clean. Looking at that door panel, upper side looks perfect. Buttons are nice and clean. That looks incredible. These are illuminated. I don't see any scuffs there. Tiny little mark here, little one there from getting in and out. Floor mat looks good. Bolster is incredibly clean. Same with that edge. If you had to really pick it apart, there's a couple tiny marks there. Otherwise in great condition. Looking at the steering wheel, you still have that matte finish to it. Don't see any flaws there. No scuffs or scratches on the screen, and the rest of the console has that matte finish to it, nice and pretty. Here on that door panel, upper side looks incredible. That's illuminated. That's perfect. The seat is really clean. Bolsters look awesome. I mean, getting up close, you can just see, I don't see any flaws. Now you do have a couple little dimples there in the leather. It could be factory. That looks good. Lower side of the glove box. Couple little marks. Upper side looks perfect. This is nice and clean, smells super fresh.